The ChatGPT Cash Machine, your key to unlocking side hustle success. Yo, what's up, entrepreneurs? It's Gary V. And let me tell you, the future of making money online is here, and it's powered by AI. I'm talking about ChatGPT, the tool that's about to change the game. This isn't some far-off fantasy. This is happening right now. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. With ChatGPT, you can build your own hustle, set your own hours, and create the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine having an AI assistant working 24/7 to generate income for you. Sounds pretty sweet, right? This isn't about replacing your job tomorrow. It's about using technology to unlock your potential. Whether you're a creative writer, a social media guru, or an educator at heart, ChatGPT can amplify your skills and turn your passions into profits. Get ready to dive in, because I'm about to break down exactly how you can use ChatGPT to make $10,000 and beyond. Let's go. Let's unleash your inner wordsmith freelance writing with ChatGPT. First up, let's talk about writing. Everyone has a story to tell, right? With ChatGPT, you can turn those stories into serious cash. We're talking blog posts, website copy, even full-blown articles. Don't think you're a good enough writer. Think again. ChatGPT is like having a world-class writing partner on demand. Feed it some basic info, and watch it craft compelling content that grabs attention. Think about it. Businesses everywhere need engaging content. They need blog posts to attract readers. They need website copy that converts visitors into customers. And they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are overflowing with freelance writing gigs. Set your rates, showcase your ChatGPT-powered writing skills, and watch the offers roll in. $10,000 is just the beginning, my friends. Social media domination, crafting engaging content with AI. Now let's talk social media. It's the lifeblood of any business in today's world. But who has time to be glued to their phone 24/7, crafting the perfect posts? That's where ChatGPT comes in, fam. This AI powerhouse can generate scroll-stopping captions, write engaging scripts for your stories, and even help you craft killer ad copy. Imagine this. You run a small business selling handmade jewelry. You're passionate about your craft, but you're not a marketing guru. With ChatGPT, you don't have to be. Feed ChatGPT some info about your latest necklace design, and boom! It spits out a captivating caption that highlights its unique features and entices people to click that Buy Now button. More engagement, more sales, more money in your pocket. It's that simple. Section 4. Become the teacher you always wanted. Online tutoring, powered by ChatGPT. Next up, let's talk about education. Everyone has knowledge to share, and ChatGPT can help you package that knowledge into profitable online courses. Think about your skills and passions. Are you a math whiz, a coding guru? Maybe you're a master chef with culinary secrets to share. Whatever your area of expertise, ChatGPT can help you create engaging and informative course materials. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are hungry for high-quality online courses. Use ChatGPT to help you structure your lessons, generate quizzes, and even create compelling video scripts. People are always looking to learn new skills, and they're willing to pay for valuable knowledge. Turn your expertise into a passive income stream with the power of ChatGPT. Section 5. Build once, sell forever, digital products and passive income with ChatGPT. Finally, let's talk about passive income, the holy grail of the side hustle world. With ChatGPT, you can create digital products that generate income while you sleep. Ebooks are a perfect example. Have you always dreamed of writing a book? ChatGPT can help you outline, draft, and even edit your masterpiece. But it doesn't stop there. Think beyond traditional books. ChatGPT can help you create templates, workbooks, and even interactive tools that people will gladly pay for. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easier than ever to sell your digital creations. Upload your ChatGPT-powered product, set your price, and watch the sales roll in. Passive income, here you come. Section 6. Time to grind, fam. Taking action and claiming your $10,000. So there you have it, my friends. 4 powerful ways to leverage ChatGPT and unlock your earning potential. We're talking freelance writing, social media domination, online tutoring, and passive income through digital products. But here's the catch. None of this matters if you don't take action. Knowledge is useless without execution. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, experiment with ChatGPT, and start building your side hustle empire. The opportunities are endless, and the time is now. $10,000 is just the beginning. Let's go.